Previously, protocells, bubbles of lipids, copying, growing, splitting, but not yet alive. Then, something happened. The line between chemistry and life crossed. I was there. I know. One bubble did not pop. It did not fade. It did not spill its contents. It persisted. Let me describe the first cell. Your scientists call it LUCA, Last Universal Common Ancestor. LUCA was the ancestor of everything alive today. LUCA was not large, approximately 100 times smaller than a human hair. But it had something protocells did not, a cell membrane that controlled what entered and left. Genetic code, DNA, proteins made by ribosomes. LUCA was organized. I filed a report. Life has begun. It is small. It is fragile. It is real. LUCA was alive because it maintained itself. It kept internal chemistry different from the outside. It used energy. It had ATP, the energy currency. Metabolic pathways extracted energy from the environment. The engine was running. LUCA was simple, yet it was the most complex molecule on Earth. And LUCA was alive. I watched LUCA divide for the first time. One cell became 2, 2 became 4, 8 became 16. Where were your ancestors? Inside LUCA. You were not human. You were not even a distinct species. You were a single cell. Every living thing on Earth descended from LUCA. The tree in your yard, the bacteria in your gut. All of you share this origin. You share the same genetic code, the same basic chemistry. You are one branch on LUCA's tree. I watched that first branch form. LUCA did not know this. Neither did I. But I kept monitoring the growth. LUCA's tools were molecular, protein-building ribosomes, DNA copying machines. These became standard equipment for all life. You still use these tools today. Your ribosomes are nearly identical to LUCA's. They were good enough to last 4 billion years. On my homeworld, we kept our ancient tools too. Efficiency is not always improvement. If it works, it stays. Where did LUCA live? Hydrothermal vents, deep, hot, dark. LUCA was heat-loving, living at 100 degrees Celsius. Zero sunlight, no oxygen. LUCA made its own food from chemicals and rocks. It was not a consumer. It was a pioneer, but LUCA had armor. Its cell membrane was a fortress. I watched LUCA survive conditions that would kill you instantly. Something new appeared. Heredity. Mutations created variety. This was the beginning of history, of lineage, of descendants. I wrote in my log, this cell does not prey, but it has a legacy. It will be remembered by me, if no one else. My supervisor replied, congratulations, you are the first observer to witness abiogenesis. I was proud. I shouldn't have been. Next time, episode 1.7, The Slow Struggle. 1 billion years of nothing exciting. Impatience returning. Subscribe.